beautiful new custom home with 29 docking drawers inside. So I'm here with Eric from Roberts Electric, the go-to folks for custom homes in the Sloan Valley, Ketchum, Haley area, probably also commercial as well. And this home has 29 docking drawers. That's, I think, a record for a single home. Eric, have you guys installed these before, or is it first time?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, first time.
Multiple times. I've been here 3.5 years, and we've done it every year.
Got it. And do you remember what was the homeowner going for with so many docking drawers? Do you remember what they said about that?
The homeowner does not like the devices, the receptacle devices above the countertop. So, and she has this set up in her house in another state, so she wanted to mirror that install.
And just last question, what did you think about the overall install process? Was it easy enough, or things we could do better at?
It's pretty straightforward. It's always the first or second one you do is the one that takes a little bit of time, and after that it's just there's a lot of overlap, so it's, as in the back, it's pretty hard to go wrong once you just take your time the first time. That's how it goes, but the instructions are good. The screws actually don't need to, like you said, don't need to drill the pilot.
Right.
And they hold their own even in material that's not quite so great.
Yeah.
But it works great.
Okay.
The cover, the main thing, also the cover on the inside has plenty of overlap. So
cover plate, yeah.
The cover plate, so you're not seeing an edge. It's just pretty straightforward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Eric.
You got it.
All right, so we got the template here on the back, and since we're going to be doing a bunch of these drawers, we're just going to make absolutely sure that there's no issues. So this is going to fit here back like this, and I'm being especially careful to make sure that there's no interference with the back of the drawer glides, because these are undermount glides. So just double checking that. We have 3 inches of space behind the cabinet, each drawer, so that's good. That's an inch more than we need. So this is kind of the measure 3 times, cut once program. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, so we are good to go. Got the template all set. Yeah, so just take the punch, locate the 4 corners, and then the template can come off.
So do you nail it? Do you pilot hold the center of your?
So I was planning to use a multi-tool.
Oh, the multi-tool, and then you're just gonna do.
And then I just zip.
Oh, instead of
jigsaw and drill. I mean, either works.
Yeah.
So, but if you were gonna drill holes and then jigsaw, then yeah, then you would give yourself the pilot hole there.
Okay.
But I don't know. We can see how this one comes out. I'm gonna mark lines.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna do.
You know what we probably do is like we could probably get those measurements.
Do what now?
Or get those measurements, like with the thickness, and then we can transfer over to the next one.
You mean the location of this?
Yeah.
We have it right here, right?
Those are it.
That's it.
Those are the
2 1/16 on each side.
Yeah,
1
we do
3/16.
Yeah, I was thinking like those 4 dots, but it's okay. That's just.
Yeah, I mean, because
Just another way.
there's one of these in every box. So I would say, we
We
just
have the main measurement.
yeah. No worries. And that'll get all covered up nicely with the cover plate. Yeah, there, that's it. Exactly. Okay.
So that opening is designed so it can slide in at an angle. Like
Yeah,
that,
it's
go
bigger.
back.
Yeah, it has to get around this
Yeah,
thing.
I see.
So it actually goes in this way. So all right, we got the first bathroom done. All 4 drawers of this bathroom. Good to go.